The no contact rule is one of the most effective ways to get your ex back, to move on from a bad breakup, or to cut a toxic person from your life. It could be a family or a friend. Unfortunately, there is a lot of confusion about the no contact rule on the internet. In this video, we will explain the no contact rule and figure out how to use it in different situations. Without further ado, let's begin. Why is the no contact rule so effective in getting your ex back? Does it always work? The no contact rule is effective in getting an ex back because it creates a much needed space between the both of you that helps both you and your ex to get some perspective and heal. When you heal and you stop the push-pull dynamics between you and your ex, you allow the love you had for each other to resurface. Human psychology, for both males and females, does not allow us to think clearly and miss our loved ones as long as we are trapped in this push-pull dynamic with an ex. Human psychology does not allow love to resurface as long as insecurities, neediness, or desperation is clouding your judgment and pushing your ex away. What to do during no contact? Live your life. Do everything you can to make yourself feel better. Be your own best friend and take care of yourself because no one else will do it for you. No contact is the time to make yourself a happy and confident person. But remember, you should not be doing it because you want your ex back. You should be doing it because you want to be a better version of yourself. You have to learn that you don't need your ex to be happy. In fact, you don't need your ex at all. You may want them, but you don't need them. There is a big difference between wanting something and needing something. Of course, this change in perspective doesn't come on its own. If you just sit around all day watching TV and eat ice cream, you are not going to feel better about yourself. That is why there are 4 categories of things that are mandatory during this definite no contact rule. What to avoid during the no contact period? There are a few things that you need to avoid during the no contact period. This section is here as a warning sign because it is very easy to fall into this trap and just spend the entire no contact period without making any progress in your life. You are not helping yourself if you're watching your ex's every movement. It's one thing to think about your ex every once in a while. It's another to check your ex's Facebook page the first thing in the morning and then keep on checking it every half hour throughout the day. If you find yourself obsessing over her or him, then you need to take a step back and realize why you are doing this. A lot of people think the main objective of no contact is that it will make their exes miss them and want them back. You have to understand that even if your ex starts to miss you during the no contact period and they contact you, they will easily pick up on your neediness and the fact that you are obsessed about them. And when they do, they will again lose their attraction. It's easy to cover up your pain with alcohol or drugs, but it doesn't heal anything, and it will not make you feel better in the long run. It's like putting a bandage over a broken bone. It's okay to drink once in a while, but if you are making it a habit, you are just decreasing your chances of getting back together. You are replacing one addiction, your ex, with another. No ex will take you back once you become an addict. How long for no contact? It really depends on the type of breakup you had and how desperate and needy you have been since the breakup. But I recommend a minimum of at least 21 days. However, if you think your breakup was exceptionally bad, then you can go to 60 days or even 90 days. Remember, time heals. One study done by David A. Sabara, PhD, who is a professional in the Department of Psychology in University of Arizona, suggests that there is a linear correlation between time and how much you heal from a breakup. The study explored how sadness and anger decreased over time after a breakup. This also correlates to the study done by X Back Permanently, in which participants were asked what helped them the most in healing from a breakup. The top answer was time. Time helps you heal from the breakup. And as I explained earlier, the main objective of doing no contact is to heal from the breakup and regain your confidence. Even if you want your ex back, you should continue no contact until you feel you have healed from the breakup. If you are still feeling the pain, continue no contact and let time do its magic. What breaks the no contact rule? I get a lot of people asking me if they broke the no contact rule by speaking to their ex. In most cases, it's best not to take any risks and just keep doing no contact. But in some cases, you may need to speak to your ex because of an event or incident. If you do end up contacting them, ask yourself the following questions to figure out if it counts as breaking no contact. Suppose your ex contacts you on your birthday and you reply just saying thanks. You didn't really act needy or desperate in any way, and it most likely didn't affect the progress you have made till now. In this case, you are not really breaking no contact. But if in the same situation, you try to use the opportunity to speak to your ex and try to convince him or her to get back together with you, you are acting desperate and needy, and you just broke no contact. What if my ex contacts me during the no contact rule? If you suddenly stop contacting your ex, they are going to start missing you soon enough. And in a lot of cases, your ex will contact you when they miss you. What is the best strategy if they contact you? It usually depends on the following factors. Note that these factors are sequenced according to their importance. That means factor 1 is the most important reason and factor 5 is the least important of them all. Remember, your aim here is to heal from your breakup so you can reach a place where you can speak to your ex without obsessing over the idea of getting your ex back. It's to get you to a place where you are no longer needy. A place where you are the best version of yourself. Where you have the skills and tools to fix what was broken in the relationship. Where you are you version 2.0. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.